Hi guys, how's it going? This is Who's the Kitchen Fairy with another recipe vlog for Indo Recipe and indorecipe.com. And for today's recipe, this is from Indonesia. It is using beef liver. We call it Sambal Kentang ati, and it is also normally almost always using stinky bean, which is known as sator. My cat is in the back. Hey Charlie, Charlie. Oh, it's not Charlie, it's actually Furball. Hi Furball, sorry. Anyways, this dish is from Indonesia, again using beef liver and stinky beans that is known as sator if you are from Thailand. It is marketed as sator here in Canada. It's actually stinky beans. It's bitter and it's stinky, but we love it with beef liver to pair it with beef liver in this dish. It is using fried potatoes, and again, it's called Sambal Kentang ati. Check out the full video now. See you soon again. Bye. Boil 700 grams of beef liver. You want to boil the beef liver for 8 to 10 minutes. Once you boil the liver for 8 to 10 minutes, we're gonna slice this into cubes. Meanwhile, we're gonna fry our potatoes. I have 4 large potatoes here. You can skin them, or you can leave this the skin intact, but wash them, and then we're gonna cube them. So fry the potato in lots of oil. It's up to you. A little oil, it's up to you, as long as the potatoes cook. Now we're gonna fry our stinky beans too, or sators, and fry your cube beef liver as well. Not for long, just like 1 to 2 minutes. So we're gonna make out of 5 garlic, 1 medium size of onion, and 6 bird-eye chilies. So this is the paste, and 1 lemongrass, 4 to 5 of kaffir leaves, and 6 of salam leaves. They are Indonesian bay leaf. We're gonna saute this. Now add in the liver. Followed with the potato. Ooh, steam. And stinky beans. Gonna mix this, and then we're gonna add or pour about 300 milliliter of water, and we're gonna season it with a little sugar, a little salt, a little MSG, and yes, I love MSG, and a little of chicken bouillon powder. And we're gonna cook this until all the liquid absorb.